Hi, I wanted to introduce you into my final project, React and Redux. Um, it's a really simple CRUD application, and what I was trying to do was create a voice user interface to be able to record information for breweries to help them keep track of their logs. And then it's kind of, I don't know, a specialty thing that helps them make better beer. So essentially, you can click on, you can log in or sign up. We are already logged in. You can check that up in Redux, where we went ahead and called everything. The state says that users in the back end have already been logged in. So we have a current, current user is nothing, logged in is false. So let's log in now. We'll just do the infamous test user to sign in, which we're now signed in, and the top button should have switched, our state should have switched, which it did. So current user is this, logged in, changed. From there, there's only one recipe that I have in here so far. I can populate some more. Click on see more, no reload, that's awesome. Shows all of the recipe stats that you created under a new recipe. If you were to go through that process and dynamically add, like, hops or fermentables, yeast, etc., that's all possible. But we're going to focus on what it really isn't just like basic CRUD functionality, is this wrapper around the voice log interaction. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click start recording and essentially just use my voice to show you that I can say things and it should record things. So let's give it a shot. So record strike temperature number 5. Record strike temperature number 5. Record strike volume number 7. Record mash pH 4.4. Record mash pH number 4.4. Record original gravity number 2. I'm going to click stop recording there. What I have there is just a transcription of the actual language that it's trying to interpret and see what you're saying. One of the unfortunate things about the wrapper that I was using took number, like I had to say number to ensure that it interpreted the next number that was said, not as an actual string, but as digits and as an actual number to put inside there, which is something that, you can alter. I believe, but it's like a little bit of fiddling. And at that point, I think you should go, instead of with a wrapper, using Amazon Mozilla speech recognition. They have a web API. Start to go with something that has like whether it's Google or Microsoft to use a AI in the background that will go ahead and know that you're attempting to put in a number and not a string of a number at that point. So at that point, you can click submit. It'll submit the recipe. And it will display the information up top. I hope you like that. If you have any questions, let me know.